get that down. Let's try it again. 1, 2. Let's say welcome to the M&M show. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the M&M show! That's better. I'm Mommy.
I'm Emmy.
And today we're going to do something different.
We are doing a challenge that we made. I was looking up on challenges. And so we just made this.
It's going to be a blindfold.
Food taste test.
What? They can't hear you.
Food taste test. So I picked out 5 little things for Mommy to taste test, and she's going first. She picked out 5 little things for me. Of course,
we have our drinks by Diet
Yes.
Coke. It does a body good.
Because I don't want to say something that I don't want.
So we have our trusty helper daddy getting our plates for us. So I'm going first?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Make sure I don't cheat.
How many fingers am I holding up?
7.
Okay. I don't know why people do that, because they could just see the numbers.
Do you guys like this mask? Can you tell our guests or our friends where we got this from?
Hashtag no. Justice!
Justice! It's her favorite
Okay,
store.
do you want me to hand it to you?
Yeah, you have to put it in my
1,
mouth.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2,
Wait,
3,
wait,
4.
wait. I'm on Weight Watchers. Did you count the points for this?
It's not that bad. You're only having 1 bite.
Okay.
of everything. Hey, okay. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Just start with
5.
the number 1 and go down.
Okay.
You have to show them what it is. Don't say it, okay? It's a Cheeto!
Yes, that's correct.
It's my favorite. Where's my drink? Cheetos are my favorite.
Okay.
Okay, number 2.
This, I don't know if you can guess the flavor. You should.
Ooh.
What in the world are you saying? Those are good.
Oh.
I think you had it. No, you need your drink.
It tastes like... Ew.
Sorry, guys. That's our cat, Sophie.
Oh, that's not cat food, right?
No, I did not put anything gross
It's
in there.
sweet. Like a cereal.
So close. Is that your final answer?
Yeah, I don't know what it was.
It was.
Oh, the strawberry goldfish? The strawberry
Yes, strawberry goldfish.
Oh, that wasn't that good. Okay.
That's half a point. So 1.5
Next.
points.
So I have 1 point.
1.5.
No halves. I have
Fine.
1. Did you show everybody what's next?
Sit down.
Okay. Ew.
Oh my
Ew.
god, you eat this every day.
Don't give it away.
See,
Mmm.
you're like, ew.
Apple!
Ew.
Green apple.
Yes, green
Green
apple.
apple.
Green apple. This one is going to be a little strange. It's in a spoon.
Okay, hold on.
In a spoon. In a spoon.
Okay. Don't clank my teeth. Be careful. Mmm. Cheese Whiz.
Yes! Oh my god. This
Ew.
one. Okay, this one I'm giving you.
Oh! You need a cracker with that stuff.
Yes, you do. I've been eating it out of the can.
I have 3 points, right? Is
Yes.
that it? Is there one more?
There's one more.
Okay.
Let me see. I'll give you. You want small one or big one? Medium.
Whatever.
I'll give you a medium.
It's that Baby Bell cheese.
Yes.
Yay!
So 1, 2, 3,
Yay!
4 correct.
I did good!
4
Okay.
correct. Take it away.
I got 4
please,
points.
Daddy. I'm gonna do my
What's the winner get?
one.
I know. A $20 shopping spree.
No.
Yeah. From Daddy. Daddy will give the winner $20 to go shopping.
Please, Daddy.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, the
Fine,
winner
hold
gets $20 to go shopping.
Who are y'all rooting for?
Okay, hashtag now, because I don't like people who die and wait till the end. Hashtag now. Well, subscribe now and see who's gonna win. Well, say who's gonna win. Who do you think?
Okay. Are you ready, Emily?
I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh.
Number 1. Can you guys see that? Okay, open your mouth. No, open your mouth.
Great. Wait, what?
Do you need another taste?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Blueberry.
Yay!
I
She
thought
got
I
it.
hated blueberries.
Well, you like them apparently. Okay. Ready for number 2? No, chew it up. You like it. Okay, here's another piece.
What is it?
Here, chew it up. Chew it up. You like it. It's not anything bad. Carrot.
It tasted like the stem of a cherry.
Why would I
thought it was.
Okay, do you need a drink?
Yes, I need a drink.
It was a little carrot stick.
Ow.
All right, so you have 2 points. Ready? Open. You can't touch it. Put it in your mouth and chew it up. You were vacuuming this floor. What is it?
I haven't tasted this. What in the world?
Do you want another taste?
Yes, I'm trying to reach for my mouth.
Any guesses? Y'all want to help her?
Some kind of cracker.
Is that your final answer?
No, I don't know.
Hashtag crouton!
That's a crouton.
That was a crouton. Ready?
Oh, so I only have 3 points.
Okay.
Wait, my water.
Ready? Open. What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know what it is?
No.
Do you like it? We should blindfold her for all of her meals. You want another bite?
You're feeding me something that I say I hate.
What is it?
No.
Take a guess.
Something that I don't like.
Do you want another bite?
No.
Okay, take a guess. Take a guess, or I'm going to tell you what it is.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. It was a tomato.
Oh my God! That's where the
Ready?
seeds came from.
Last bite.
Oh.
Open. You have to open big.
That's cheese stuff. Cheese.
Yay! Eat it! Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that. Sorry. Okay, drink some water. Okay, now this is just the mommy show. The mommy show.
Oh, that.
This is the mommy show.
I heard you.
The mommy show. What should we talk about
Hey, we both did the
today?
same thing. How many points did I have?
You got 3 and I got 4, so Daddy, $20.
No, I got the cheese whip and 3.
You got the cheese whiz, the carrot, and the blueberry. You missed the crouton and the tomato. So, if you liked our video,
Please subscribe.
what?
Press the subscribe button.
And leave us some comments down below. Let us know next time what things should we feed each other.
Oh, me and Daddy already had another idea. Chubby bunnies! Stay tuned for that.
Oh yeah, Chubby Bunnies is coming up next. We might have a guest on our show to do Chubby Bunnies.
I'll give you a hint. It starts with a D, and that's his name on the show. Daddy! Oh, he's right there, so he's listening to us.
All right, we got to go for today. So say goodbye.
Bye.
Peace out.